Meaning of handbook.
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 Handbook. A handbook is a small, concise, reference book that contains information about a specific topic or subject. It is designed to provide a quick and easy way to access important information, instructions, or guidelines. Handbooks can cover a wide range of topics, from employee handbooks that detail company policies and procedures, to academic handbooks that outline course requirements and expectations. They are often used as a tool for communication and education, and can serve as a valuable resource for both individuals and organizations. Overall, a handbook is a useful and valuable resource for anyone seeking to gain knowledge or information on a specific subject.